Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So we are going to do a first try, and what we're going to try today is none other than the ColourPop No Filter Foundation. So
Oh, oh, kill. Oh,
now ColourPop launched this foundation about a week ago, and it's super cheap. I believe it's like $12 for a foundation bottle, and you get 0.85 fluid ounces, which is a lot of foundation compared to a lot of the other places that you receive foundation from. And yeah, we gonna try that today. We gonna see what this is, what's popping, what's really popping in Cardi B voice. So yeah, stay tuned throughout the end to see what this look is going to be. I didn't like how you order your foundation on their website. I feel like the actual photos from the actual ColourPop website, they were not true to color. And so when I ordered, it basically did not come out right. I feel like I ordered too dark of a foundation. So I ordered another foundation. So I have two foundations right now. If you can tell, they're both two different colors. So this one is darker and this one is supposed to be lighter. This is the foundation 195 dark, and this is the foundation 205 dark. And we're gonna figure out which one is actually my shade range. Now, when I ordered these actual foundations, they came in, of course, this little package that I just showed you. And again, it was $12 for 0.85 fluid ounces. So compared to NARS is 1 fluid ounce. That's a lot for $12. I paid $59 for this. Fenty Beauty foundation is 1.08 fluid ounces. This you paid $35. This you paid $59. And this you paid $12 whole dollars. That's life. So if this foundation is popping, I'm gonna take a break from them, okay? What I do like about the foundation so far, they have a lock button. So when I'm ready to lock my foundation, it locks. This is the 205. I mean, I feel like it's my color, but it's just so orange. I don't know. Maybe it's gonna oxidize. Then we're gonna try 195. I feel like I can use both of them. Well. So this is 195 and this is 205. Right now I currently think I am 195, as I kind of figured this is too dark. So I'm just gonna place it on my face and we're going to go in. Now I do want to tell y'all that I didn't know. I don't know if they added this when I originally made the order or did they do this afterwards, because there was like so many, you know, there was so much rah-rah going on as far as the foundation go. I guess you could say tool or feature on their page that allows you to put in your Fenty foundation color and get their color. So that's how I end up getting 195. This also gave me this ColourPop No Filter foundation brush. I don't like the way it's putting my foundation on, okay? Yeah, I don't like how this foundation brush is looking. It's just too many, it's too splotchy. So I'm gonna get my normal foundation brush, which is the It Cosmetics Airbrush Soothing Foundation Brush. Okay, I feel like it's medium coverage though, because usually when I put on my foundation, you can't see my mole. It is no filter foundation, and it is full coverage foundation formulated with soft blurring pigments to give you a long wearing natural finish. No filter needed. That's what's exactly on their page. I went to it. I have it right here. I'm gonna put a second layer on. As you can see, first layer a skin finish, which is a good thing. You know, that's not bad. But if you're not looking for a skin finish, you're looking for a Kat Von D finish, this ain't it, sis. At least not with one layer. It is buildable. Now you can't really tell over the video. I can tell in person though, like it has like a slight, very slight orange tint to it. Edit. They pretty much wanted to dupe the no filter concealer because people raved about it, and I was one of them. I have the no filter concealer in Sweetie, and this was before they threw out the additional shade ranges. I'm so excited. So now I know my color. Okay, so this is the no filter sheer press powder. They also came out with the no filter setting powder. So I was super geeked about the no filter sheer powder. That probably sounds crazy, but I do, because I have a hard time as a dark skinned girl finding the things that I need, and that's one of them. I do have the no filter setting powder in banana. Looks like this. Now, I've heard some mixed reviews on the actual setting powder, so I'm a little scared, because I use two setting powders and two setting powders only, and that is the Black Opal and Maybelline, and I love them. Like this, it's real yellow, but I think it should be fine. Should do us some justice. Yeah, this is shabopping. Then I'm going to take my concealer again and cut right up under here. Just to kind of give me that sharp look. So and you could use either your beauty blender for this step, or you could use your foundation brush. I chose my foundation brush because it will give me like a defined contour, but it won't define it too much where I have to do a whole lot. This is scalp. It's so cute. Large powder brush. I actually got this one from, it's SK. I got this from Target. So take a dab of that. So kind of like that. Yeah, I don't like, yeah, I don't like the, I'm really sad about that. Because I was more excited about the foundation and this sheer powder. So we're going to go ahead, finish up my makeup. And I will be back right after I'm done. Okay, guys, back with the finished look. So, of course, I did not film the eyes, but altogether, I really do like the ColourPop No Filter Concealer. Up in the air about the sheer No Filter pressed powder. It didn't do bad after I sprayed it, finished my makeup, things like that, but we're gonna see how that really works out for the couple hours I'm gonna have it on. And the No Filter setting powder, it was good. I feel like if you can't afford like Sasha Buttercup, because that's like what, $20, $18, something around that, you can go ahead and use the No Filter setting powder. I just wouldn't stick with the no filter setting powder. I just didn't like how it left like a scaly residue up here up until after I take it off. So for those people that like to press the powder in and just leave it there, you can't do that. So I mean, all in all, for the amount with the powder, the foundation, the pressed powder, that was maybe a little under $30. I mean, that's really good. So if you know you trying to stay in a budget, this is cute. Like, I'm cute right now. It's worth it. If you want to see a tutorial on the eyes, I will be more than happy to show you. But you have to subscribe, and you have to tell me down below in the comments, as well as on my Instagram. Excuse me for why one curl curled and the other curl just looking dumb. You know, whatever. We ain't got to talk about it. But I will see you guys in a few hours, and I will tell you how it do. And I probably only be gone for maybe about 3-4 hours. I want to thank you guys for watching my channel today, and thumbs up this video if you liked it, and also invite a friend to my channel. And if you want to see something in particular, go ahead and hit that comment section or hit me in my DMs on Instagram, whatever. If you know me from somewhere else, tell me. Through the wastelands, through the highways, and on we'll go. Okay, so as you guys can see, I only had it on for maybe like 4 hours. Yeah, about 4 hours, 4.5 hours, 3.5 hours, somewhere around that time. But I have not got oily at all. I mean, it look a little shiny, but I think that's really the light mirroring off of it because it's not oily. But it looks great. And this is what you get. And this is after 4 hours. I'm gonna probably try it again for like 8 hours and show y'all what it looked like.